tiramisu. ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് Today we're gonna make tiramisu.
So guys, today we're gonna make
tiramisu.
This is the expectations. We'll see how it'll turn out.
I don't think it'll turn out good.
Okay, but anyway, let's start.
Okay. Baking is hard. Okay, this is the easiest way, guys. Like, you just need to put your egg yolk in your hand. This is very sanitary, by the way. Okay, that's good.
Did you wash your hands?
No. They have no. I have one.
One eternity later.
For today. Shake it before opening. Shake it.
Shake, shake.
Shake before opening.
Shake, 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 shake a shake.
So, അതിൽ നമുക്ക് ചീസ് അതിലിടണോ അത് ഇതിടണോ ചീസ് അതിലിട്ടിട്ട് എന്നിട്ട് ഇടാം അല്ലേ
We have to put same, all same in there. Put cheese first.
ഫസ്റ്റ്
Okay, wow, you don't know how to make?
Guys, if it is going to turn out very bad, it's because of Aisha.
No, shut up. No. Cream cheese. Should I do a taste test?
Cream cheese.
Huh.
So what?
It's so good.
Whisk, 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 whisk. ആദ്യമായിട്ട് കിട്ടാവും
here. Copy. Link. That's problem, you know. Waiting.